Okay, since you asked for how to get to the science textbook, I will show you. So, go to Courses, go to your Science. Right on the main page, right here in the middle, sorry, not right in the middle. Let me scroll down a little bit. Here's your science textbook information. The username is 20kathy.grosland. The password is capital K, little g, 123456. So everybody has the same login. It's like this for everybody. So I'm going to click on that, click on the link, and I have mine saved, so it's going to pop up automatically. But this is what you're going to have: 20kathy.grosland, capital K, little g, 123456. Click on login. You can either click on the textbook or on the word launch, doesn't really matter. This is going to be a little slow because I'm recording and because the website's a little slow. Okay, so there's your textbook. I'm going to move this bar down. So right here it says cover. You put the page number that you want in there. So I'm going to put 124. Click on this little arrow, the go-to page, and there it is. So right now you can see it as 2 pages, or you can see it as 1 page like that. You can make it bigger up here. You can have it read to you by clicking on this. Now in the classroom it's been a little bit weird. We've had to hold that button down to get it to play. I'm not sure quite why. But there you go. Yep, there's a glossary in the back if you wanted to look up a vocabulary word. There's some other features here, but that's about it. Good luck.